Dom here. Just wanted to make a quick, short, easy video for you guys. This is on how I clean my makeup brushes. Now I do want to say that I don't clean them every day. I don't use every brush every day, but I do clean them at least once, maybe twice a week. I mean, you don't want to be using your foundation brush, especially since it holds so much bacteria. You want to clean that at least maybe twice, 3 times a week, depending on how often you are using your makeup brushes. I know some people use their hands to put on the foundation, which is completely fine. Also, they use beauty blenders or any kind of sponge. You want to clean those as well. So I have my brushes here. I do set them in this container. They do have toilet paper on them. You can see that. I don't even know if it's focusing. But I do this because I want for the bristles on the brush to actually stay in place and hold its shape. So again, I do put it with the bristles facing down, because I feel that if you do leave them upright, the water will get down into the barrel of the brush where there is glue, and it will start to dissolve the glue and making your brush easier to shed. So there's that. This is actually what I use, the MAC brush cleaner, in between clients, or like if I'm on the go and I need my brushes clean fairly quickly. Take a rag. I do put the cleaning product into one of these spray bottles. This is obviously not it, this is something else, but I do put them into one of these spraying bottles. Spray the towel, get the brush, clean the brush. Now I do that, I put it in a container like this only to make my brush cleaner product last longer, so I won't go through it fairly quickly, because I feel like if you put it straight from the bottle onto the towel, you're wasting a lot of product. So it just gives a little bit, it just gives your brush cleaner a little bit more longevity. That way you don't go through it fairly quickly. And I mean, yeah, this video will show you how I clean my brushes. I do it over the sink with some soap, and the water is not either really cold or really hot. It's just tepid water. I feel like it helps with the shedding of your brushes.
No, won't give up while the world spins. I'll be strong enough. Gotta look down, I'm standing tall. Gonna get there, I'm gonna fall. Vision the days when I wanna run, walk on the waves to sink everyone. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, all the way. Caught in a war, but I'll never waves to sink everyone. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, all the way. Caught in a wall that I'll never drown. I'm standing up, I'm not going down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, I'll find a way. Brave, I'm gonna shoot, shoot straight. This is my fate. I'm brave, I'm gonna shoot, shoot straight. This is my fate. I'm brave, I'm brave, I'm brave.
That is how I clean and dry my brushes. It's fairly easy, simple steps, easy products, super affordable. Thanks again for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate all of your support. Bye guys.